Lenovo has introduced a new companion interface called Legion Space, replacing key features from the old Vantage layout. If you're using a newer Lenovo LOQ or Legion series laptop, you might notice that game settings like CPU and GPU stats, performance tweaks, and other features are missing from Vantage. That's because Lenovo has moved those features into Legion Space, a separate app designed to handle gaming and system performance. So now, instead of one unified control center, you'll be managing two apps, Vantage for general settings and Legion Space for game-specific controls. If Legion Space isn't pre-installed, just search for it on the Microsoft Store or online. It's quite easy to find. Right off the bat, the new interface consolidates everything: CPU, GPU, RAM usage, and fan speeds into a single dashboard. Just below that, you'll find performance profiles, quiet, balanced, performance, and custom. These aren't shortcuts now. They are fully baked directly into the layout. Next comes the lighting themes section. Tap the hexagonal color palette to access RGB controls, complete with the slick animation. Depending upon your laptop, you might see 24-zone RGB like the one I am reviewing, or 4-zone or per key, or even just a single zone RGB. On the right side, you'll find lighting effects like color wave, breathing, audio reactive, horseshoe, and more. Again, the exact options depend on your laptop's RGB hardware. Some of you may have it, some of you might not. Below that is the brightness slider, also mirrored on the main Legion Space home screen. For laptops with advanced RGB like mine, you can create custom themes, assign different effects, speeds, and colors to each zone. Again, just a heads up, the number of zones, effects, and even Legion Space itself may vary depending upon your Lenovo model. Don't panic if yours doesn't look like this. Back on the main screen, you've got GPU working mode, essentially your laptop's mux switch in action. It lets you toggle between hybrid mode, which balances power and performance by switching between iGPU and dGPU as needed. dGPU mode forces the discrete graphics card for maximum performance, ideal for gaming or rendering. Hybrid iGPU mode only locks into the internal graphic cards for battery efficiency, and hybrid auto mode that lets the system decide dynamically based on your workload which kind of mode is required for you. Think of it as your laptop's pit crew, deciding whether to send in a fuel-efficient racer or a turbocharged beast. Next up, a deceptively simple but brilliant feature: misclick prevention. When a game launches and the mouse is connected, the touchpad is automatically disabled. Why? To prevent accidental palm touches or rogue cursor jumps mid-battle. It's like putting a child lock on your steering wheel. No surprises, just precision. Tucked neatly under the three-dot button lies a suite of smart toggles that fine-tune your laptop's behavior like a backstage crew managing the live show. Performance optimization. This lets Lenovo's LA1 chip take the wheel, dynamically adjusting performance settings based on your workload. Whether you're editing videos or browsing, it picks the right gear without manual input. Think of it as a cruise control for your system's horsepower. Network boost. It prioritizes bandwidth like a VIP lane for your apps. Select which programs like games, Zoom calls, or streaming platforms get the lion's share of the internet pipe. No more lag spikes during clutch movements or awkward freeze frames in meetings. System power mode association. Unlike performance optimization, this one's laser focused on thermal profiles. It adjusts only the power mode, nothing else. Like switching between eco and sport mode in the car, it's subtle but effective for managing heat and battery. Memory optimization. This feature reallocates RAM intelligently, giving priority to apps you actually use and curbing memory hogs like Chrome tabs gone wild. It's like having a bouncer at the RAM club, keeping freeloaders out. Adaptive refresh rate switches between the buttery smooth 165 or 144 Hz and a battery friendly 60 Hz depending upon your activity. Gaming right now, you get the full 165 Hz experience. Watching videos or working, it dials it down to 60 Hz to conserve the juice. It's like a screen knows when to sprint and when to stroll. Inside the display settings, Lenovo throws in some gamer-centric goodies like FPS display, the real-time frame counter because knowing your frames is half the battle. Crosshair overlay adds a digital crosshair dead center on your screen, perfect for competitive titles that skip the built-in crosshairs. So no more pen marks on your monitor, just precision activated. Next up, we've got game stores, a unified game hub to browse and buy games across platforms: Steam, Epic, Xbox, you name it. And game library automatically catalogs all the installed games on your system. Think of it as your personal vault, organized, searchable, and launch ready. Gaming zone. This section packs two standout features: Game Clip Master auto captures high quality gameplay highlights. Whether it's a clutch kill or a cinematic moment, it's saved and ready for content creation. Game comparison is a heat map style tracker that logs on your kills, deaths, and key moments. It's like a coach whispering in your ear, helping you spot patterns, sharpen reflexes, and climb the ranks. Now, while Legion Space brings the fresh UI and gamer-centric features, the device settings like power, display, sound, widgets, system updates, hardware scan, and security still live in the old Vantage software. It's like having two control rooms for one spaceship. And honestly, it feels a bit pretend at this point, like Lenovo's halfway through a makeover but forgot to change the shoes. Managing your laptop through two separate ecosystems break the flow and adds friction. If Lenovo's listening, here's a bright idea. Merge Vantage into Lenovo Space. Create a unified experience like Asus's Armor Crate, Asus Predator Sense, and even HP's Gaming Hub. These platforms perform seamless control from performance tweaks to RGB settings all under one roof. Lenovo's halfway there, just needs to finish the bridge. That said, the first iteration of Vantage was clean, functional, and didn't need fixing. This redesign feels like a change for the sake of change. A fresh coat of paint, sure, but the foundation was already solid.